Oh, oh, is it recording? Oh, Dan. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do something because I realized, well, if the dude wasn't there to kill me anymore after the flag, then what if I get the flag? Is that like a legit ending to the game? I don't know, so we're gonna figure out together. Yay! Oh, what just popped up? Oh, it's my libraries. Okay. Don't want that. So move it down. Nope. That's weird how it does that on my record thingy. Oh well. Okay. Well, at least I see it. I'm not sure if you guys do. So let's go. Yeah. So it turns out it does give you sound. Dude, moving like a lot smoother. Okay. So I'm gonna figure out what this does. Oh, it's a bad guy. I'm gonna kill him. Wait a minute. I don't have to kill him. Get up. Boop. I jumped on him. That's new. Okay. There's him. Let's run past. Oh, skipped you. I'm sorry. Did you want to kill me? It's too bad. Oh, I'm so slow. Okay. Oh. At least the sound's going. We turn it up a bit. There we go. It's like slow-mo. Oh, normal speed. Okay. Slow-mo again. Oh. Oh, I thought it wasn't going to take the command at first. Jump. Bounce. Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to see if minimizing this will help the play. Okay, now it's just the only thing open, but it's still recording. Oh, look at that. It does a lot better. Cloud. Do 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 do. Okay, let's jump over the laser. Oh, now boop. Oh no! 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 Stop! Stop! No! 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 Bollocks. Okay, so I still have to get over it. Bounce, bounce. Yeah, look at that. It runs much smoother with it minimized. Bounce, get that. Bounce, bounce. Run, jump, back. Zero. I was hoping to make it in like 2 goes. But you know what? Cat is invincible. Oh jeez. Almost went down there again. Okay. My face is like inches from the screen. Up, up, da. Ba da ba na. Morissima Svenya. No! Oh no 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 no! Okay, this could take several parts. And you know what? I'm just gonna include them all as like one playthrough. You know what? Screw you guys. I want the views. Great. Now that because I did, I'll probably get like what are they called? Red thumbs. Red thumbs. There we go. Boop. Oh no. Ooh. Boop. Bounce. Boop. Jump over you. Has to be precise timing. Boop. Oh nope. I died. I don't know how I did it. Don't know how I did it last time. But it's happening. Now it's gonna happen. You don't believe me? That sucks, doesn't it? We'll punch up the cloud. Jump. Jump and back. Bounce. 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 Nope, didn't make it. Oh. It's possible. I did it. I know it is. Is there a way to get back up if I fall? I guess we'll eventually find out because I know I'm just gonna like forget to run. Boop. 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 No. Didn't think I was gonna make it, did you? Neither did I. It's okay. We're both stupid. Get the right on the edge. Blink. Nope, you go slower. There's no way back up. Okay, so I have to get a running start. He died. Oh, oh! Oh, you almost got to me again. I hate playing through a game is like, oh, it's like you're doing so amazing that you completely forget about a little trap, and then you walk right into it. But then you're scared like me, and you escape. Jump! Yeah, got the jump. Maybe. Nope, I definitely want to get the laser out of the way first. Boop. No! What was that? I was past it! Ugh! Buttocks. Bounce. 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 Oh. Ooh. Bounce. 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 Though I would never forget this little trap. That thing is a pain in the buttocks. Oh no. I always say oh no, don't I? Someone should keep count of every time I've said oh no, ah, or darn it. Have I said darn it this video? Darn it, darn. Well, I've just said it 4 times, so I guess that counts. Does it? Oh no. Okay. Let's try this step. Nope. This one. Yes! Okay, so I die. Let's go. No! Oh, okay. I get it. Let's die. Die. Oh, okay. See? Like I said in my last video, trolling game. Like if trolling was like a company, this would be like their bestseller. Trolling company. The Troll Face owned a company. Now you know I don't know. I don't have to explain my logic to you. I find it funny. That's all that matters. I don't care what you think. Oh, I was trying to kill him. Oh well. Ooh, ooh. Bounce. Was it 3rd step? Oh, that didn't do very good. Bounce. Bounce. I honestly think I was trying to do like an Ace Ventura impression or something. Didn't turn out fairly well. Like everyone's probably gonna be like, it's like, yeah, that kind of sucked. But oh, really? Oh, I feel horrible. I feel horrible even attempting that. Oh, that sucked. It sucked that much. Oh, what? You know what? I'm gonna be magic. Oh, it's this step. Okay. Bounce. Nope, that didn't work. Oh wait, I gotta get the laser out of the way. Sharks with fucking laser beams on their heads. I don't feel horrible about that one because honestly, no. Oh, okay, okay. I've got it. I've got it. Got it. I bet you 20 bucks. I'm gonna make it over the flag. If not, survive. This time run through. Why won't they come? There they are. Bounce. Boing. Laser. Nope. No. Yeah! Do 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 do. No fireworks? Oh! Oh! The game continues! What'd I do? Oh, that makes total sense. What is that? That's hiragana, because that's ku, the little Pac-Man's mouth in the bottom. I don't recognize. I think like Sue or something. I don't know. There's some... No, it's probably just a mix between both, or all three. Can I go... Oh, poison. At least I'd assume so. Let's find out. Yep, poison mushroom. Called it. Am I still in level 2? Yes, I am. So I'm going to end it here, and I'll be back in a bit, guys.